What happens when a young Viking trying to prove himself faces the deadliest dragon in Berk? Hiccup's first dragon hunt didn't go as planned, and he barely escaped with his life. Hiccup was eager to impress his father, but when he tried to kill a dragon, he failed miserably and almost paid with his life. As his father came to the rescue, Hiccup's failed attempt left him scorned and angry. But little did he know, this failure would lead him to his true destiny. What happens when Hiccup finds a dragon he doesn't want to fight? Subscribe to see how it changes everything.